Tonight, a sobering statistic. More than 1 million Americans have now died from COVID-19 related illnesses. More than 74,000 of those deaths occurred in Florida. News Channel 8's Nico Clemens joining us live from Tampa General Hospital tonight with more insight into these numbers. Nico.
Hey, Keith, it is a grim milestone. Of those 74,000 people you just mentioned, nearly 18,000 of them are right here in the Tampa Bay area. We've talked with several of their families whose lives are now changed forever.
Put the strap over your shoulder so you look good.
Oh, yeah.
Mike Madry says his dad, Daniel, went out of his way to help people.
He really was on a mission to improve the lives of other people.
At 61 years old, the Apollo Beach resident was in good shape. However, he was immunocompromised. Doctors diagnosed Madry with a mild form of leukemia in 2020. Last August, he died days after getting COVID-19. He was fully vaccinated.
It caught us by surprise.
Madry is one of a million Americans who've lost their fight with coronavirus. Data from the CDC shows nearly 18,000 people in the Tampa Bay area have died from COVID since the start of the pandemic.
It puts it into perspective when you realize your dad was just one of 1 million people that have lost their lives.
This million death mark is pretty somber, especially since a lot of them happened after we got vaccines.
USF Health's Dr. Michael Tang says a new Omicron subvariant is driving up new COVID cases. But the tools are there to keep transmission low, from getting vaccinated to wearing a mask.
We just have to be, serious about using them.
Madry says his dad was never told once the vaccine wouldn't work for him. He wants people to realize how at-risk immunocompromised people still are.
COVID is still a real thing to these immunocompromised people, and they have to be fearful for their lives.
When you break down some of those CDC numbers, Hillsborough County is seeing close to 4,000 COVID-19 deaths, more than 3,000 in Pinellas County and 1,400 in Manatee County. Live in Tampa, I'm Nico Clemens, 8 on your side.